This is your tutorial of how to make a tutorial. There will be 4 different parts: an overview of your assignment, planning your tutorial, how to do a storyboard and script, and then the making of a video. I will even show you an example. For this assignment, you are going to make your own tutorial to teach us how to make something. It should be appropriate for young children and their families to do together. It should also be about using one of the art forms that we've learned about in class, and it needs to be developmentally appropriate. Your tutorial should be something fun and engaging for kids to do. And remember, your video is worth 1,000,000 words. So to start your tutorial, you're going to plan. You want to think about what you're good at and what you want to teach somebody else how to do. Then you're going to create a storyboard, and you want to plan your dialogue, plan your sequence, and plan your ideas. How will you do it? Think about a comic book and how there are different squares and different ideas in each of those. You could plan it like that. Lastly, you're going to think about what tech equipment you have, what type of space do you need, and what other materials do you need to do this. And then have fun. There are a lot of different ideas and things you could do. Here's a few. Hello, and welcome to Hillary's Home Makerspace. Today we're going to do a very simple art project. And this art project is all about jewelry because I love making jewelry. I love making necklaces, in fact. So sometimes I use small beads. Sometimes I use really, really tiny beads. But today I'm going to use a little bit bigger beads, and we're going to use these special beads so that we can use them to learn how to add and count and make patterns. And so I've made an example here. You can see it's this beautiful necklace I'm wearing right now. And my special necklace has a special pattern. If we look really carefully, it has what is called an ABA pattern. So the A's are all the white beads, and the B's are all the brown beads. And we're going to put those on, and then we're going to make our own beautiful necklace. And then after we have it, we're going to have a special instrument that we can use to help us count. Because if we know these are 10 beads on here, if I move 2 over here and I count what's over on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, plus 2 more, so 8 plus 2 equals, we put them all together, how many do we have? We have 10, so this is a great instrument to learn how to count. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need when you make a special counting necklace is some type of string. You could use yarn, you could use pipe cleaners, you could use, if you want to get fancy, you could even use special colored cords for your necklace. Now, I like to do 2 things when I start a necklace. I like to put something on the end, and in this, I just chose one of these white beads, so that way when I put more beads on, they won't fall off. The other end, I make a very stiff needle end, so it will go right through my beads, and then it makes it very simple. And remember, this is going to be a 10 bead necklace, and I'm doing an ABA pattern. So in this one, I'm going to have white be my A, oops, and B be my brown. And I've put them, all my brown, I've sorted them into a little container here so that it's easy for me to find them. So now I'm going to start with my A color, which is my white color, and I'm going to stick it on, and it goes on really easy when I have that little tape on the end, which is my little needle. And I'm going to do a brown because that is my next color. So A, and this brown was B. Now we're going back to A. Got my A, where I'm at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I need 1 more to make 10. And then my necklace is almost complete. Once I'm all done, I like to make a loop on this end so I can take my necklace on and off. Well, I had fun counting with you today and making a beautiful beaded necklace. I look forward to seeing you next time we make other jewelry. Go have some counting fun.